again. Do not be alarmed by what you are about to see. Despite appearances, I am not a pair of disembodied eyes floating in space. It is simply me again, but standing in front of a yellow hut. A beach hut. You see, without contrast, nothing stands out. If everything was yellow, it would be harder to notice the other yellow things, such as me. You just need to find the right environment that complements you, like this blue hut, instead of disguising you, like this yellow one. The same can apply to your days. If they're too similar, they all blend into one. That's why I'm trying something different. Instead of driving around the city, I'm gonna drive around the beach instead, and maybe go for a swim. So, if you would like to add some contrast to your day, or would just like to watch me frolicking in the waves, then come with me and let's go.
Lizzie?
Well, that was nice. Especially nice that the van didn't end up in the water this time. Just because something bad happened when you did something before, doesn't necessarily mean that something bad will happen again when you do the thing again. Unless you just drive into the center of the sun, or something. Then it probably will. Speaking of the sun, the days are definitely getting shorter, and it seems we're reaching the end of summer. So I wonder if this is my last opportunity for a dip in the sea. However, if you look behind me, there's an entire jetty full of people queuing for a ferry. And chances are, one of them is a thief. I bet it's that one in the red shirt. And you never know if someone might steal your trousers while you're in the water. But if you're wearing your trousers, then no one can nick them, especially if you're in the sea, and still wearing your boots. So I've come up with a plan for some worry-free summer swimming. It's easiest if I just show you. Maybe this is worse than having your trousers stolen, actually. I know it's you. Thanks again for watching, except you. Goodbye again.